How to fix Google Maps problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Maps problem on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type here Google Maps, type maps and you will find it. And here you will find storage, you need to find it and then click on it. Now click clear cache and go back to permissions and enable all of those permissions here. Location, maybe you will find it like that, you will find it here, and then click on it and click allow. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and go to storage and click clear data and click OK, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.